Would you like to get an instant answer to any of your question, that too from your inner self? Are you interested in it? I'm sure you are. So today I'm giving you a powerful technique or a process to get instant answer whether yes or no, or choosing between two options, what you should follow, and how you should know that what you want to do from within, what your inner self is saying. This video is all about this technique, and stay tuned until the end of this video so that you will know what exactly to do and why never to get confused again. Because confusion is the enemy of manifestation, and I want all of you to be absolutely clear and manifest faster. Are you ready for this video? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to be back with all of you. Now, those of you who are new here, you can hit the subscribe button and be a part of our awesome tribe. Earlier, I made one video on all your requests that how to get an answer from the universe. If you are yet to watch that video, you can check the link in the description. Now, recently, so many of you were asking me in Instagram. And by the way, if you are not yet following me on Instagram, you should follow me. Check for Awesome AJ Official. So many of you are asking me on Instagram, like, AJ, how can I get an answer if I have a confusion? I'm kind of in a state. How can I get an answer? Maybe like choosing between two job opportunity, or shifting to a city or not, kind of a yes no answer, or even choosing between two options, or even staying in a relationship or move on, or whether to go for one option or another option, or whether to stay in your job, start a business, what you should do. So there are times when all of us reach a point where we stand in this crossroad and we wonder like which path to follow, right? And in that point, we can seek the guidance of the universe, or at the same time, like we are part of the universe, so we can seek the guidance from the inner self, what is inside, or what is going inside my subconscious mind, which path really I want to choose. And in this video I am giving you the step by step process, and if you do it, you can 100% get your answer, that's for sure. Now in this video, it's all about getting the guidance from the inner self. Now while we talk about inner self, we'll focus on the heart energy or heart center, because we have three major centers: our brain, and then the heart center, and then our gut center. So here the energy flows the most, and heart center, this is the most powerful center, and this always knows the inner guidance. So we are going to focus on it. Through the heart center, we are going to get our answer. Now before I give you the process, and I want all of you to do the process along with me in this video if you have a question, and at the end of the video you are going to let me know what is your experience and what answer you got. So first of all, before we dive into the process, I want you to choose one question, like whichever question is bothering you. It can be a small question, it can be a bigger one. You can choose any kind of question, but it should have a yes or no kind of answer, or choosing between two different options. So choose any question that is going inside you. I hope you can pause it and choose it, or if you have it already in your mind, then you can move forward. So keep the question aside for a while, because if your mind will be wandering in that, you won't be able to do the process. So keep the question aside. Now you follow my voice. You can do it by closing your eyes at this point, or when I ask you to close, you can do it. So first you'll do it is we are going to focus our energy on our heart center. So first we'll do some deep breathing so that we can reset our vibration. We'll do at least 3 cycles of breathe in and breathe out. You can breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Inhale deeply. Let your heart pop up, chest pop up. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now you close your eyes. While keeping your eyes closed, follow my voice. Now imagine yourself at a hill station or in a mountain, beautiful place, all calm, soothing, cool, green, and absolutely beautiful. Or if you love to be on a seaside, sea beach, you can imagine that. Whichever place just make you feel positive and high on vibration, imagine that. Preferably focus on a mountain. You are sitting on the top of a mountain, looking at the mountain, you are feeling that cool breeze on your face, and keep imagining that you are inhaling that pure air, that purity, that positive environment. You could able to feel that environment. So feel that positivity. Feel it. Now focus your attention on your heart, and while being in this mountain or on the seaside, you feel this joy and this happiness and this expansion and this positivity flowing through your heart. Focus on your heart center. Focus on your heart energy while imagining that you are in this mountain top, you are in this hill station, you are in this beautiful place, in this positive place, and you think, focus on your heart energy, and you can feel a sense of relaxation, a sense of joy, a sense of expansion, a sense of security, a sense of magic inside your heart. Feel that for a moment. Now you are experiencing how do you feel being in a positive place, being in a place of expansion, being in a place of spiritual energy, being in a place of happiness, peace and joy. Now take a deep breath, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Now shift your imagination to a negative state, to a negative place. Imagine yourself being in a very crowded, hot, dusty, kind of a environment, suffocated environment, kind of stuck in a traffic jam or stuck in a crowded market. And imagine being in that state where you don't feel comfortable, where you don't feel that this happiness, where you don't feel this positivity, where you feel stuck, where you feel suffocated, where you feel negative. Imagine that for a while. Imagine you are standing there or sitting there and you are absolutely frustrated, negative, hopeless, helpless, and you are sweating, you are angry, you are frustrated. Now focus on your heart energy, heart center, and you will feel that your heart center has contracted. You feel that heaviness, you feel that suffocation, you feel this anger and frustration in your heart center. You feel that negativity. Now this is the energy or the vibration of a negative state, negative situation. Now you realize it. Now breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Now you have reset your vibration. Now I want you to think about that question or that confusion that you have in your life, whether it's about job, relationship, money, any kind of decision, moving to a different place, whatever question you have chosen. Now you think about that question, think about that situation, the answer that you want to get. And now After thinking it and focusing on that particular question or situation, now think about the option A or the yes. Imagine if there is a yes answer to this situation. It means there is a yes. Or if there are two options, the option one is coming true or the yes is coming true. Visualize that if yes or option one, how you are going to feel. Focus on your heart center while imagining option A or yes. Analyze how you are feeling in your heart center. Are you feeling expanded, happy? Are you feeling the expansion, happiness, joy, peace, positivity? Or are you feeling contraction, stress, negativity, heaviness, fear? Keep on thinking about the outcome and try to observe how you are feeling in your heart center. I believe you have felt it. Now breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Now you have reset your vibration. Now think about the option B, as if it has come true, or the no, if it was a yes or no situation. What if no? What if you get the choose the option 2 or option B? Now imagine that if that is happening. Imagine that for a while and then observe the feeling that is or the vibration that is getting inside your heart energy. Are you feeling peaceful, joyful, energetic, expanded? Or are you feeling heaviness, stress, negativity, pain, suffering, fear? Keep on thinking for a while until you get that feeling. I believe by now you must be having the feeling. Now inhale deeply, exhale slowly, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes. How was your experience? How was your experience when you think about the option A or the yes and the option B and no? You can't be feeling same for both the thing. If you are feeling same for both the thing, that you are focusing on the wrong options or not yet sure about it, you definitely must have felt positive for one and negative for another. So this is the answer that you are getting from your inner self at this point. This is the answer. This is where your inner self go at this moment. This is what your inner self want to choose. The one with expansion, the one that is with peace, the one that is with happiness, the one that is with positivity. And your inner self doesn't want to be in the negative one, doesn't want to feel happy, because nobody wants to feel like that. So you choose the option that is full of expansion, positivity, happiness, joy, absolute growth. Go for it. But there are situations where you don't ready to accept it. Because why? Because somehow you feel the other one is more important, or in both the situation you are feeling a lot more confusion. So first let me know in the comment section whether you got the clarity or not, or whether you are still confused. I believe most of you get the clarity. But if you are still feeling heavy on both the thing, or still confused or not ready to accept, there could be a reason for this. You have been carrying a lot of negativity inside your heart, and that is why you are not able to accept it or not able to actually choose the right thing. And because you are carrying a lot of negativity and pain and suffering, if that is the situation, or you want to clean up your heart center and heart energy so that you can judge better, you can follow better, manifest better, then I would highly recommend you to join our 21 days meditation program, Heal Your Heart Meditation. People have joined this program and they have released so much of negativity and pain and suffering, and they always get clear guidance where to go, what to do. So you can check the link in the description. Now, this is a process, very powerful process, where you are getting the answer from within and instantly you are knowing. And at this point, your inner self want this. So choose the positive one and go for it, and you will realize so much more positivity and expansion forward. If you're not able to accept it, if you're not able to make peace with it, then it's time to first clean up your heart and then maybe do this process after a couple of weeks, so that you will have better clarity, better understanding. So if this video has inspired you, if you love this video, if this video is something that you are looking for, if you are looking for this kind of answer, or if this is a thought-provoking video, like it, share it with someone you love, comment and let me know how do you feel. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and bell icon, be part of our awesome tribe. And do join the Heal Your Heart meditation program, because it's immensely powerful, amazingly powerful, and it will really help you heal your heart center and bring so much of positivity and peace. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.